Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm back and I'm hoping to be a lot more consistent on this channel. There have been a lot of updates to Nomademy, but this video isn't about that. It's about 5 ways to get your first client. When it comes to getting clients, many will tell you that it's about attracting, not chasing. Don't chase, attract. But it can be really confusing to someone who's new to freelancing because how do I even attract when I don't know what kind of client I want to work with? So these tips are really for someone who just started out freelancing and you're just looking to get some experience as a freelancer. So number 1, get back in touch with all your previous employers and colleagues and tell them what you do now. So if you were working before you start freelancing, I think definitely do tap into all your professional relations. I'm pretty sure that if you want to start freelancing from a corporate career, you must have been at a certain caliber. You were probably pretty good at what you did, and because of that you can definitely tap into that reputation as well to just start offering your services to the people who know you best and can probably vouch for you. I think also to not be afraid of rejection. I think as a freelancer and solopreneur, it's important to kind of grow stronger and to not be afraid of rejection. I mean, like, really just tell yourself, what's the worst that could happen? They say no, and you can always keep trying and just go on to the next person. So that's the first way. Second is to make friends with people who are doing what you're doing in online communities, and it could lead to referrals. So thank goodness for the internet. I think it's made connecting with people so much easier, and there are multiple platforms you can do this. There are, freelancing dedicated platforms where you can make friends and community, and even on social media, that's a great way to connect with people as well, or maybe even LinkedIn. So there are many ways to connect with people. I think don't be afraid to reach out. It's something that I was really afraid of at first as well. Like, what if I'm disturbing someone? What if they don't reply me? But you never know until you try. Definitely do try to reach out to people, especially if you think that this person that you're reaching out to can really help you on your journey. Just give it a go. The third thing is to look for ideal clients online and drop them a personalized and memorable message. So I think the keywords here are personalized and memorable, because I'm pretty sure your ideal clients are also the ideal clients of many other people. But what's going to set apart you and your message is how you craft it, what you say in it. And while I don't have a template as of now, I'll definitely craft one. There are so many templates out there online that you can check out for personalized messages. But I think if you're really able to connect with your ideal client, it's going to go a long way for you and you'll probably land the client. So do take time to forge that connection, that genuine, authentic connection, because I think people can tell when something is just copy and pasted as opposed to really personally written and thoughtfully crafted. The next option is to approach agencies, offer to shadow a designer and help them as you learn how they do design work. So this is something I really want to try, because while I know UI UX design, I'm really curious about brand design and graphic design. So I think I might try one of these days to approach an agency that I really admire and just to ask the team if anyone needs any help. And I do not have to be paid. I just want to shadow you and see how things go and how things are done in the industry. But I think this is an excellent way to start learning the ropes of how it is like to work with a client in a freelancing arrangement. The last thing, which I did a lot of, is to look for job vacancies that interest you and contact the company to see if they consider a freelancer. There are a lot of traditional job portals where they sometimes put freelance, but they weren't really looking for a freelancer, or sometimes they just put full-time and part-time and contract. No matter the circumstance, if you are super passionate about the company or the kind of job description that they put out or the product that they're working on, I think it's worth a shot just asking them if they're open to a kind of freelancer arrangement. You never know. At most, once again, just a rejection, but sometimes maybe they'd be willing to accommodate, especially if you have the skills that they're looking for. So that is all for the 5 ways to get your first client. I hope it was helpful. More videos to come for sure, and do comment below if you want to see anything on this Nomademy channel as well. Do follow our Instagram, do check out our website, even though it's still kind of in progress, but we are in the midst of rebranding and kind of really forming our mission statement, really forming what Nomademy has to offer. It's all in the works and more to come for sure. Anyway, I have rambled enough. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you get your first client soon or your next client soon. And I guess that's all for this video. Bye!